Last night before dark, I finally got all the onions pulled and the little garlic. So I cut the tops off and then I brought them in here to dry. We really did get a nice crop. I'm very happy with this. I have some more to pull, but we have plenty for winter and plenty for pickles. And this is the garlic. What is small, I will replant this fall. But that's not bad. I'm not a big garlic eater, so this is plenty for one person. Yeah. Nice onions. Very, very happy. Since squash is one of my very favorite things, I'm trying to get a fall crop growing. Most squashes only take 50 days to yield fruit, and so I am starting 2 4-packs of squash. So hopefully in another week or 2 I can get those in the ground and I can still be picking squash into October. Composting. This has kind of been my experiment that has gone very well. For a number of years, I've been using old rusted out galvanized trash cans to compost in. Leftover vegetable parts, greens, weeds, coffee grinds, eggshells, a little bit of everything goes into these cans. Since the bottoms are rusted out, there's good drainage. Then once the cans have reached a certain height, then I start planting my potatoes in them. And being that these are metal, I can start planting earlier in the season because the cans actually heat up the soil or compost matter faster. And if I have to, it makes it very easy to cover them over. I just started digging my very first potatoes. These are the ones I planted back in March. So 1 potato gave me 8 new potatoes. So that's pretty good. I certainly could have left them in a lot longer, but I was getting very anxious to taste some of my potatoes for this year. So there's many, many more to come on. This was just my first sampling to see how I was doing for the year. The hops are doing really well. I don't have a clue what to do with them. So I guess I'll have to do a little homework online and ask around and find out. This is cool. Second year. Didn't even know if they would actually come back, but they did. So let's find out what we can do with hops. Looks like we're going to have a good crop of figs as well. I planted what I thought were baby bush lima beans. These aren't bush. So the seeds were wrong. Not even sure I have limas. So I just threw this netting up in the back real quick, but it didn't stay up. So I'm going to have to actually build something because these are peppers in here. And I thought the beans were going to be a nice complement. But since they're not bush, they're climbing, they are going to destroy my pepper plants. So, project for today is get these beans off the peppers. It's a very hot day, but I need to get some sort of fencing up for these beans to get them off the peppers. So I'm just making do with what I have handy and just to get it done.